I spent weeks digging through Ford truck forums, fleet maintenance records, and technical service bulletins going back decades. I wanted to answer one question: which F-150 engine actually lasts the longest? Some engines Ford sold in the millions barely survive past 150,000 miles. One engine at the top of this list routinely crosses 500,000 miles without a rebuild. Here are 10 F-150 engines ranked from shortest to longest lifespan, starting at the bottom of the list. Number 10. The 3.5-liter PowerBoost hybrid launched in 2021. This is Ford's newest F-150 powertrain, and that is exactly the problem. It pairs the 3.5-liter EcoBoost with an electric motor, a high-voltage battery pack, and a hybrid transmission. 430 horsepower, which is impressive. But the powertrain has been on the road for roughly 4 years. Nobody has pushed one past 200,000 miles under normal ownership. High-voltage battery degradation, hybrid cooling systems, and electric motor components buried inside the transmission housing mean more failure points than any F-150 engine Ford has ever built. It might prove itself, but longevity is not a promise, it is a track record. Number 9. The 5.4-liter Triton 3-valve from 2004 through 2010. This is the engine that gave Ford its worst reputation in the truck world. The 3-valve head design introduced cam phasers, variable cam timing solenoids, and a timing chain system that relies on plastic guides and hydraulic tensioners. When owners followed Ford's recommended intervals with 5W20 conventional oil, those phasers started rattling on cold startup as early as 60,000 miles. A worn phaser lets the timing chain go slack. The slack chain stretches the guides crack. Once that chain jumps timing, you're looking at a full engine teardown, $3,000 to $6,000 at the dealership service bay. On top of that, the 3-valve spark plugs seized inside the aluminum cylinder head. Removing them often snapped the plug in half, turning a $200 tune up into a $1,500 extraction job. Ford issued a technical service bulletin with special tools because the problem was so widespread. Most of these engines struggle to reach 200,000 miles without major work. Number 8. The 4.2-liter Essex 5.6 from 1997 through 2008. This was Ford's base engine for the 10th and 11th generation F-150. It made 202 horsepower, and most owners chose it for the lower sticker price. The Essex is a simple pushrod design with no turbochargers and no variable valve timing. That simplicity helps avoid catastrophic failures, but it had a well-documented weakness. Head gasket failure, coolant seeping into the combustion chamber, white smoke from the exhaust, coolant slowly disappearing from the reservoir. If an owner ignored those signs, the engine would overheat and warp the cylinder head. $1,200 to $2,000 to repair. Owners who stayed on top of maintenance could see 200,000 miles, but the Essex rarely went further. Number 7. The 3.3-liter TVC TV6 was introduced in 2018. Ford's current base engine is a naturally aspirated port-injected V6 producing 290 horsepower. No turbochargers, no direct injection carbon buildup concerns. The engineering is clean. But this engine has only been in production for about 7 years, and most trucks equipped with it are fleet vehicles replaced at relatively low mileage. Very few 3.3-liter F-150s in private ownership have crossed 150,000 miles. The design suggests it could be a long runner, but the data is not there yet. Number 6. The 5.4-liter Triton 2-valve from 1997 to 2003. Do not confuse this with its younger 3-valve sibling. The 2-valve 5.4 is a fundamentally different animal. No cam phasers, no variable valve timing, simple coil-on-plug ignition with a single overhead cam per bank. Its main weakness was spark plug ejection. The aluminum cylinder heads had only 4 threads holding each plug, and under heat cycling, those plugs could physically blow out of the head. Ford issued a repair using thread inserts, costing $300 to $500 per cylinder. Outside of that issue, the two-valve 5.4 was solid. Fleet operators running Expeditions and E-Series vans regularly reported 300,000 miles on original internals. Number 5. The 2.7-liter EcoBoost, introduced in 2015. This is the engine skeptics said would never last in a full-size truck. A twin-turbocharged V6 with a compacted graphite iron block displacing less than 3 liters. And yet one well-documented 2016 F-150 reached 300,000 miles on its original 2.7 with nothing beyond scheduled maintenance. The second generation, introduced in 2018, added dual fuel injection to keep the intake valves clean and eliminate carbon buildup. The turbochargers are water-cooled and integrated into the exhaust manifold for better heat management. The compacted graphite iron block is the same material Ford uses in the 6.7-liter Power Stroke diesel. Early data points to 200,000 miles as realistic for most owners and 300,000 for those who stay ahead of maintenance. But nothing on this list compares to number 1. It is the oldest, simplest, and most proven F-150 engine Ford ever built. If you've ever wondered why old Ford truck owners refuse to sell, stay with me. Number 4. The 3.5-liter EcoBoost was introduced in 2011. This engine became a proven workhorse for many owners. This is the engine that changed how America thinks about truck power. It uses twin turbochargers and direct injection, producing up to 375 horsepower. Ford has sold millions of these. Longevity data is now over 14 years deep. Multiple owners have documented 300,000 miles and beyond. One owner hit 385,000 miles while towing 85% of the time. The first generation had timing chain tensioner wear and intake valve carbon buildup. The second generation, starting in 2017, addressed both with improved components and dual injection. Change the oil every 5,000 miles and service the transmission fluid by 60,000 miles. With that maintenance, this engine can go the distance. Number 3. The 5.0-liter Coyote V8, introduced in 2011. The Coyote replaced both the 4.6 and 5.4 in one stroke. Naturally aspirated, 4 valves per cylinder, dual overhead cams, producing up to 400 horsepower. It is the engine Ford truck enthusiasts trust the most. Forum after forum confirms Coyote trucks reaching 250,000 to 300,000 miles on original internals with basic maintenance. The one blemish is oil consumption on the 2018 through 2020 Generation 3. Some owners reported burning a quart every 1,000 miles. Ford addressed it with revised piston rings but never issued a recall. Outside that window, the Coyote is remarkably trouble-free. No turbochargers, no carbon buildup, just a well-engineered V8 that rewards owners who keep clean oil in it. Number 2. The 4.6-liter Modular V8 2-valve, produced from 1997 through 2010, a true workhorse. This engine never gets the headlines. It was always overshadowed by the 5.4. But the 4.6 2-valve may be the most quietly reliable V8 Ford has ever mass-produced. New York City taxi operators ran Crown Victorias with this exact engine past 400,000 miles on original internals. Police interceptors routinely exceeded 300,000 miles in hard-duty pursuit cycles. In the F-150, it was the sensible choice, not the most powerful, but the one that refused to die. Its known weaknesses were a plastic intake manifold that cracked on models built before 2002 and timing chain guide wear at extreme mileage. Both of those are manageable repairs, typically under $1,000. The 4.6 earned its reputation 1 mile at a time in the hardest service conditions in America. Number 1. The 4.9-liter 300 cubic inch, inline 6, built from 1965 through 1996, 31 years of production. The 300 inline 6 is a cast iron block with a cast iron head, 7 main bearings supporting a forged crankshaft, and a camshaft driven by gears instead of a timing chain. Gears, not chains. No plastic guides, no hydraulic tensioners, no cam phasers, nothing to stretch, crack, or wear out. The engine makes its peak torque at 2,000 RPM. It was designed to pull heavy loads at low speed all day without stress. It powered F-150s, Broncos, E-Series vans, farm equipment, and commercial trucks. Owner after owner on the Ford truck forums reports 300,000 miles without a rebuild. Multiple documented examples have crossed 500,000 miles on original bottom ends. One fleet owner documented over 600,000 miles on an '88 F-150 with the 4.9 and a 5-speed manual transmission, running a synthetic blend with regular oil changes. The engine was never opened. The cast iron construction dissipates heat evenly, and the 7-main bearing crankshaft distributes load across the entire block. Gear-driven cam timing never changes and never needs adjustment. Rebuilding one costs between $800 and $1,500 because the parts are simple and everywhere. Compare that to a cam phaser job on a 5.4-liter that costs 4 times as much and still does not guarantee another 100,000 miles. The 300 inline 6 is the closest thing Ford has ever built to an indestructible engine. 10 engines, 6 decades of Ford truck history. The pattern is clear. The engines that last the longest are not the ones with the most technology. They are the ones built with the widest margins and the fewest failure points. Keep the oil clean, service the fluids on schedule, and let the engineering do the rest. Hit subscribe for more deep dives into what actually makes Ford trucks last.